Student, today we are going to see the lesson that the clever princess, that is chapter number 2. So let's start the second chapter, the clever princess. In this story there are three main roles, that is King Veerasimhavarma, Queen and the brave little girl Neeti. This story is about Neeti who escaped herself from bravely from two devils. Now I will read first paragraph. King Veerasimhavarma ruled over a rich kingdom. He had an intelligent wife and peace-loving people. The only thing that the king did not have was a child. The king and the queen prayed for years for a child, and then Neeti was born. King Veerasimha was overjoyed at his birth of his daughter and gave a grand feast to all his subjects. He also built a large palace for Neeti. The palace had many rooms and lovely garden. The king found a teachers for princess. They also taught her to read, write and count. The teachers taught her how to rule a kingdom. They trained her to protect herself in time of need. Soon Neeti became a brave and intelligent girl. So once there was a king, his name was Veerasimhavarma. He ruled a rich kingdom. Kingdom means what? Is like a country. Kingdom means like a country. So the king Veerasimhavarma ruled a rich kingdom. He had a very beautiful and very intelligent wife. So and also he had a very good people around him. The king Veerasimhavarma and the queen, they both are worried because they do not have any child. They prayed for a year. They prayed for a god for a years. So after praying a years, they blessed with a baby girl. They blessed with a baby girl. They named with Neeti. They named as Neeti. The king Veerasimhavarma and the queen, they were very much happy after the birth of princess. So the king Veerasimhavarma gave a grand party to all the kingdom people, all his relatives and friends, all the soldiers. He gave a grand feast. Feast is nothing but many delicious dishes, different type of very delicious dishes. So if any guests are coming to your home, then what your mother will do? Mother will prepare you very different type of dishes now. That is called feast. The king gave a feast to all the kingdom people. And also the king Veerasimhavarma gifted the large palace, large bungalow gifted to Neeti. After gifting the big palace to Neeti, the Veerasimhavarma appointed a teacher. He appointed a teacher to Neeti to learn how to read, how to write, how to count. So as soon as she learned everything, the Neeti became very brave and clever girl, and also she even know how to escape from the difficult situations. Now the second paragraph. The queen did not want Neeti to live alone in her own palace. She said to the king, Neeti is so young. You know that the wicked demons live just outside our state. If they come to know about her staying alone in the palace, they might kidnap her. Princess Neeti was living alone in the grand palace which was gifted from her father. The queen expressed her sorrow to the king that she did not want to leave Neeti to alone her own palace. Neeti is so young. She means the queen. She knows that demons live just outside the state. Demons means an evil being that can trouble a human being, means like a kidnapper. The queen is telling to the king that the kidnappers are living outside the state. If the kidnapper knows about that Niti staying alone at home, they may kidnap her. So the next is, the king laughed. He said, "Oh, don't worry. I have instructed 2 guards to protect each palace door. They lock all the doors and windows at night." Alas, the king did not know that the demons were already keeping an eye on his beloved daughter. The king laughed like, "Ha ha ha. My dear wife, don't worry. I have instructed 2 guards to protect each palace door. The instructor will lock all the doors and the windows each and every night. So you will lock your doors, no, every night. Like that only, that instructor will lock all the doors and the windows at the night." But the king, he did not know that the demons, means the kidnapper already kept an eyes on his beloved daughter. On Niti's 10th birthday, the king again arranged for a lavish feast for all his subjects, and 2 of the palace guards ate a bit too much. Soon they were fast asleep. They forgot to close the door that they were guarding. That night, one of the demons saw the lights in the palace. See, on Niti's 10th birthday, the king has arranged again lavish party to all the kingdom people. On that day, the guards, who they were, 2 guards were there, no, they ate too much. After eating too much, they went sleep. They forgot to close all the doors and windows. On that night only, the one of the demons saw the light in the palace. He knew that the gate must have been left open by the guards. Stealthily he came to open palace after everyone had gone to sleep. He found the open door. Quietly he entered the palace. He then tiptoed to Niti's room and put her in the sack. See, in this paragraph, what he is telling is the demon, he was knowing that the guard only has kept the gate is open. So stealthily means what? Quietly, the demon, he will enter into the palace after everybody has slept. He found that the door was open. Quietly he entered the palace, and he walked quickly and quietly to the Niti's room, and he will put her in a one bag.